Harvest season is all about efficiency. This Alperpost combine harvester is specially built for large-scale farms worldwide. It integrates multiple processes in one machine, saving time, labor, and costs, helping farmers seize the farming season, improve quality, and increase income. It integrates 4 core functions: harvesting, threshing, cleaning, and straw handling, all in one machine, with no need for multiple equipment. It can finish the work of dozens of workers in just 1 hour, greatly shortening the harvest cycle and ensuring timely harvesting. With a wide cutting width, it covers more area. The high-speed grain and loading system enables non-stop continuous operation, maximizing productivity every minute. It is compatible with wheat, rice, corn, soybeans, sorghum, and other crops. One machine replaces several, greatly improving equipment utilization and reducing investment costs. Precise threshing and cleaning technology keeps grain loss rate below 1% with low breakage, preserving grain quality to the fullest. The optimized oil circuit design ensures economical fuel consumption, making large-scale long-term operation more cost-effective. Equipped with a high-power premium engine, it delivers stable power. The reinforced chassis performs reliably in muddy fields, sloping areas, and other tough conditions. With low failure rate and high durability, the panoramic cab features a simple and clear control panel, flexible steering, and comfortable shock absorption, reducing fatigue during long hours of operation. Even new operators can master it quickly. Highly efficient, versatile, low loss, low consumption, durable, and reliable, this combine harvester is your ideal guarantee for a good harvest on farms worldwide. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us at Shanghai Honggang Machinery Manufacturing Co., Ltd.